Hello everyone, this is the Realization Lion. Today we'll be learning the programming concept of loops. So how do you visualize loops? Loops is like a repeat. So if you want to repeat a video for 5 times, that is a loop. So you want to read, for example, in this case, a for loop in English. So how do you read it? So you can see there's a lot of codes within it to run a for loop. So first, the first keyword is to set up the loop. So I want the for loop. You're telling it that you want to set up a for loop. In the bracket, the round bracket, there is 3 parts of it. The first part, okay, you can see from the semicolon separator of these 3 parts. The first one is var var I equals 0, then a semicolon. This is the first part. So the first part mentions that you want to set up a variable for counter, and this counter will start from 0. So the first variable var is to make a counter variable. And you need to initialize this variable to have a value. And in this case, it starts with 0. And the next condition is you want the loop to continue to run until this condition no longer applies. So in this case, you can see I is less than 5. So when the counter is less than 5, the loop will repeat itself until it's no longer lesser than 5. This last part is very important. If you don't have this, the entire loop will repeat and repeat until the whole computer hang. Or in some cases, it doesn't even run. So what you need is you need to increment the variable I, so this counter can increase so that the next condition for the loop to run will be the counter is already 1 and 2 and so on and so forth until it becomes more than or equal to 5. So within the 2 curly brackets, okay, one open and one close at the end, all the codes that you want the loop to run, it must be within this curly bracket. So there are many types of loops. Precisely, there's 2 kinds. Okay, is for loop, which the one you see now, and the while loop. So while loop is another kind of loop that you do a condition, do a set of codes until the condition when the condition applies. So you just repeat until that condition is equal to something, and then you just repeat it. So that is another kind. So in this case, today we'll be focusing just on the for loop. Okay. In the future, we'll be showing you how to actually create a while loop. Okay, that's the end of my presentation. If you like my content and feel that it is helping you, you can click subscribe below for more content in the future. Okay, thank you very much. Hope to see you in the next video.